Welcome back to another trade recap. We ended up taking longs today off of MNQ. Um, I guess it was a pretty good Tuesday. We finally got news. We had no news Monday, and then last week was pretty slow as well. And took a trade like Friday. It was pretty rough, but yeah, pretty easy day today. Honestly, it was super clean drawn liquidity, really obvious. So let's get into that real quick. So coming into the day was kind of bullish. You see markets trending down lower now, but that's just because we filled that hourly gap. So let's see. We were inside of this bullish hourly gap or 4 hour gap right here, and then on our 1 hour we also had this unfilled 1 hour right here, right? So ideally we're holding this bullish 4 hours still, and then market opens. Let's get to it. Here we go. And then we have this 15-minute gap right here. So we tap into this 15-minute. Obviously, if we respect this 15 minutes, so we have a little bit of a narrative behind the trade, we can target our drawn liquidity, which is this 1 hour unfilled gap, right? So coming into market open, basically, looking good, have clean, consistent highs above. And all we really need to look for after this is an inverse fair value gap. So, okay, price came lower. Here's our gap right here. All we want to see is this get inversed. Came up, almost inversed it, reswept the low, and then bam. Right here, we had the change in the state. We didn't fully get the inverse, but almost every single time you take this will play out. Just target that 1 hour gap. I think break even was like right at that high too. So bam, bam, break even right here, and then let price run to the unfilled hourly gap. That's basically what happened. I'll show you executions. Executions, nice. Very clean trade, very obvious trade. And then as you see, we also continued lower. I don't know if you might have would have yeah, you had a pretty clean trade here, I guess. I don't know. But ideally, kind of just lined up for longs, just respecting that still. So, yeah, that's the trade recap for today. Super simple, straightforward trade. I really liked it a lot. Clean setup. Nothing much you can ask for on a Tuesday besides being literally one and done, like at market open. So, if we take something else tomorrow, I'll post it and I'll keep you guys updated with how it goes.